Hi everyone, Miss Suzanne here with another tip for our Read Aloud Day. The tip for this one is called story walking, and it's basically the idea that when you're reading a story, if you come across a page or a couple pages that have a lot of text like this page, instead of having to read all these, because especially if your kids are little, they might not want to sit while you read that whole thing, you just kind of summarize it. So in this case, Hare is talking to Bear and he's just trying to negotiate. He wants to plant some vegetables and he's going to ask the bear, would you like the top of the vegetables or the bottom of the vegetables? And that's basically all that happens on that page. So it's kind of easy to summarize for kids that are a little bit little. And so don't be intimidated by any kind of book, because you can always do that. You can always summarize what's going on or have the kids guess at what's going on based on the pictures. So that's a great way to also read aloud. Maybe more longer text that you're not used to reading to your kiddos. So have a good time enjoying your stories.